complementary DNA. Okay. DNA is a chemical found in the nucleus of the cells and carries instructions for the development and function of living organisms. In DNA strings, the symbol A and T, they're complements of each other. C and G are complements of each other. So your function is going to receive one side of the DNA. It's going to be a string, and you need to return its complement. It's never empty. Input, so you're going to get one side, and you need to return the other side, which is its complement. So A's complement is T, so that should be a T. T's complement is A, and G's complement is C. Okay, so let's go to our editor. That over there, and actually we're going to start this kata. Copy this, and we're going to start some prep work. So go ahead and put a comment here. PREP, and we know that our input is going to be a string. So we're going to receive one side of a DNA, which is a string, and we're going to return its complement. Here are some examples. And now we can start our pseudocode. Let's just run this right here, DNA strand, and give it a DNA strand, and go with this one. And okay, if we run this, we should just get console.log. We should just get our DNA strand back, which we do right there. We can make this larger now. It's right here. Okay, so let's do some pseudocode. What we do know is, let's go back to over here one more time. A and T and C and G. Do we get the complements? A and T complements, and C and G are complements. So that means for every A we see, we need to make it a C. Okay, we can do a simple conditional statement for this one inside of a loop. That's what I'm gonna go with. So I will iterate. Let's see. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to iterate over the DNA string. I'm going to iterate over the DNA string and check if it's an A, then I also need, what I'm going to do is we're going to create a variable, create variable for new strand. So we're going to check if if it's A, then we're going to new strand equal to new strand plus that A. And we'll just do a bunch of conditionals here. So A. So if it's A, if it's T, if it's G, and if it's C. So if it's A, new strand plus A. If it's T, it's going to be a new strand plus G. No, it's A, of course. So this is actually going to be T. And if it's T, it's going to be A, and if it's G, it's going to be C, and if it's C, it's going to be G. And then all we do is return the new strand. I don't think I'm missing anything, so we'll go ahead and code that up. I'm gonna console log new strand, and we're going to let new strand equal this empty string, and we're going to go ahead and loop for let I equals 0 as long as I is less than the DNA dot length, then I plus plus. If DNA, this index is equal to an A, then we're going to new strand is equal to, actually we just do new strand plus equal to a T. Oh yeah. Then we're going to do an else if, same thing here, but we want to know if it's a T, then new strand is going to equal a else if DNA is equal to a G, then we need to return a new strand, I believe it was C, yep, and then else we should be able to just do new strand, and that's going to be a G, and this should be the right logic. And then we're just going to, I think I already did it, return that new strand, or return new strand there. And let's see if this checks out. It doesn't. I don't know why I have this right there. It's not supposed to be there. Just trying to put another equal sign. There we go. Let's try that again. And also don't think that's right. We get too many T's. This is going to be an A. That's what we get for copy and pasting. Okay, this might be correct. Let's check. All right, test. It's TAACG, so that's right. And we should get kata for this strand. And that is right. So feeling pretty confident about my answer. So we're going to go ahead and copy this and send it over to Codewars. Test it out. We passed those, and we're going to attempt the rest of them. And we are good to go. We passed the rest of them. And that's it.